Okay, 11:15 a.m. The other train just started to clear the signal. He called out from the locomotive. So this one's pulling out north. We got a southbound coming. Best I can do. Between the cuts, on top of the cut. So we got empty coal going north. That's the one we had earlier. We'll see what we got coming south. So not the best angle. Years ago, this was all clear. There weren't any trees. That's back when they used telephone poles and actual wires. Those days are long gone. So the other train's going to show up any second here. I see the lights. Best we can do, folks. Looks like this is going to be a grain train. Loaded going south, empty coal going north. See which one clears first. I think the grain train will, if it's going faster, but who knows? The sun's shining on my screen, so I guess it'll turn out okay. Not the best angle, but hey, we get to see the siding in use. As Jaw2 says, / Brian, live action. Yeah, that's southbound, that's the end of it, yep. He didn't waste any time getting through here. I guarantee you this one doesn't have a DPU. I say that, watch it have one. It's empty. There was 3 leaning locomotives, so I would not expect to be any other locomotives on this. No matter what I do, I've got sticks and limbs and leaves in the way. Not bad for Saturday. Yeah. All right. Pretty much it. Let's see what we got going on here. Carter. There he is. Come here. He's doing his business. Here he comes. Hey, little man. Hi, little man. There you go. There you go. You good boy. All right, everybody. Have a good day.